Good afternoon and welcome back to our channel. So we kind of left the last video, and probably this video will go before the Murphy bed one, but we are working on a video for our Murphy bed. But Rusty's got a plan here. He's putting this wood around here, but he says you'll never see this old wood. So I just thought I'd show you guys, so when he gets done you'll know what it kind of started off looking like, but he's building a frame around that. So we'll see what he's got in mind. Okay, and this is what he had me, I'm fighting mosquitoes, guys. They're thick out here tonight. It's dark, but we're trying to get some stuff done because we have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so we don't get to work all day tomorrow. We have 3 projects going on, so I'm having to video this project, this project, this project, because they're all going to be 3 different videos, because one is the air conditioner he's working on, one is our Murphy bed, and then one is just kind of our odds and ends, which is part of this fireplace. But anyhow, he had me polyacrylic these and stain these today, and tomorrow he's going to come out here after this stuff is dried, and he's going to be installing that, so I will show you guys the finished project, the finished results tomorrow, as soon as we can get that finished. So that's where we're at with and this long one here will be like the mantle piece, and then there's the 2 here that I've done that'll go on the side, and he's got them cut. This one's pretty dry. He's got them cut at that angle so that they'll box together really well. Okay, and we're smacking mosquitoes. They're big ones too. Okay, we'll be back with you guys in just a little bit.
Oh man, I should let that slide down a little bit. Oh, forgot the zip tie.
He notched a little hole right there, and then he zip tied the big long cord, because this does have a pretty good sized cord on it. He zip tied it, excuse me. He zip tied it and he stuck it back behind the box right there, so it's not showing. And now all we have is just the little tiny bit that goes up to the plug, which can't do nothing with that. And now he's trying to get in there, and then I think what he'll be doing is probably tacking this onto the ugly lumber that he had on there earlier. And that lumber is going to show a little tiny bit, but I think what I'm going to do is maybe get some of the stain. It's kind of the same color. Once he puts the glass on it, it won't, that much of it won't show. But isn't it pretty? It's just really cool looking. So.
Can I get you to put your hand right here?
Yep.
Hopefully.
Okay.
I didn't lose those. No, not the screws.
You guys, this just looks so fancy, and it cost us, they're more expensive now. I did look, mine was $149 with the 25. Now the 165, I've linked it on the other video. 165 with the 15, so you can get it for $150. And then we just took some scrap wood we already had, and I stained it, and it just makes the trailer look a little fancier and cozier. So now he's putting the glass back on. Oh yeah, you can't even tell that other wood matches the wood, the stained wood I put on there. It's something is, it won't go on because of the top mantle. There it went.
It's just a snug fit.
It's a snug fit. Okay, so guys, there it is. As soon as Rusty is happy with his work and gets back, I'll show you guys the whole thing, and then this project is done. Turned out really nice though. So there we go. Another project off our list. Check. Okay guys, so we're we're getting down to just the little things left. We are making a separate video for the air conditioner, and we'll be having that as soon as we finish the air conditioner. We'll be showing all that. And we are making a separate video for the Murphy bed, and because that's another big project that people may just wanted to see how we did ours. And so what I'm going to show you this morning is what we have left. And there's the fireplace that we just showed you at the beginning of this video. So this is just going to be kind of pieces here, but we are going to be putting a large wardrobe cabinet there. So we'll sit down and sketch that out and decide how we want to do that. There's the flag table and the chairs I reupholsteried. There's our kitchen cabinets and our sink on that side. This side will be our induction stove, which I've already purchased, and my Instapot. I don't even travel now without my Instapot. I love the Instapot. And I'm going to soon I'm going to start making a couple of videos too to show you guys how to cook in a small space for just 2 or 3 or 4 people, because you can do small recipes and desserts, all kinds of fun things for just a small, in small numbers, because you don't want a lot of leftovers in your refrigerator, because your refrigerator is probably not very big. So, but I'll let you guys know when I start doing that. There's the refrigerator, and of course the barn door for the bathroom, and there's the bathroom. And right now it's full of tools also. Everything's full of tools right now. And so I just kind of wanted to show this. Wanted to try to finish this video up so it won't be very long. I can get it posted. Please, again, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing and if you want to keep seeing our content. And because there'll be a lot of other stuff coming. Oh, I forgot to mention, we also have that shelf to build too. So we have a wardrobe closet to build. We have the microwave shelf, which that won't take him long at all to build. The Murphy bed is only a matter of Amazon delivering us our gas cylinder, so we can get that put together. And then he's working on the outside of the air conditioner right now, so I'm going to go video some of that for the air conditioning video. And then our little green tape touch-ups that we have a lot of those, but green tape. And remember I told you at the very first video that it stays hung until we're finished? There it is, still hanging. It's been moved around a lot, but it's still hanging. So we'll be ready to move in this probably within the month. So, okay guys, I really appreciate you all watching and seeing us through this whole project. If you have any comments or discussion or questions, we have answered everyone who has asked us a question so far. So just please don't be afraid to ask a question, and we'll do our best to help you or tell you what we did to fix the same issue, because I guarantee you any issues you're having, other people have already had them. So even if we haven't, we can find out somebody who has, and we can help you with that. Okay, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.